Fraud. What is a fraud? It's an international act by one or more individual among management, those charged with governance, employees, or third parties involving the use of deception to obtain unjust and illegal advantages. So fraud is to get unjust and illegal advantages by whom? By the management, by those charged with governance, by the employees, by third parties, by how single person in management, also every employee is third party. They together, they individually or together, they act together to get an unjust and illegal advantages. Something they want to go, they want to get some more money through the company's money. They want to make some fraudulent entry, some or misuse the assets and take an benefit out of it, an illegal advantage out of it. That is fraud.